guys, my name is John Paul B. McCraig, and for today we will continue our marine biology series with yet another amusing experiment. And this experiment is called the water temperature and currents experiment. Now, in this experiment, we will demonstrate how colder waters near the poles and how warmer waters near the equator mix together. Now, these are the materials you'll be needing to do the experiment. Let's head on.
Alright, the first thing that I must prepare for the experiment will be the ice. Since tomorrow I'll be conducting the experiment, I will be needing the ice and this must be prepared beforehand. Since I don't have an ice tray, I will just be cutting this to pieces for tomorrow's experiment. Okay, I'll be tying this up and I'll be putting it in the refrigerator. Now for the next step. Alright, this is my container. I will be putting some water from the faucet and adding some hot water in it so that I could create some warm water. The water must not be too cold nor too hot. So we are aiming just warm, just right. Alright, this will be the container which I will be filling it with warm water. Now here is the ice that I prepared yesterday. I have already sliced them to the right amount of pieces. Okay, let's start the experiment. Now, I will be putting some warm water into the container. Okay, let's put it just carefully. Once I have already transferred the warm water, I'll be putting some ice cubes in the corners of the container. This will represent the north and south poles and the equators. Now let us observe them.
So this experiment demonstrated how colder waters near the poles and warmer waters near the equator mix together. So the blending of different temperatures of water together causes the water to move, which creates the ocean currents. As you can see in the experiment, when we added the ice cubes to the warm water, the violet dye water from the ice sank to the bottom of the dish and starts to be pushed as more cold water dye takes place. Now, as you can see, it moves towards the warm water in the middle. The warm water being close to the surface moves towards the end of the dish. As cold water warmed up, it began to rise. Remember, cold substances sink and warm substances rise. This mixture and movement of warm and cold water is what causes the ocean currents. So ocean currents are important because they affect marine life, habitats, feeding, and migration. Thank you for watching.